Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Take a look F1 Las Vegas Grand Prix of T-Mobile Zone at Sphere construction update. Located in the shadow of the Sphere, Las Vegas GP Grandstand in the T-Mobile Zone at Sphere will have incredible views of the high-speed racing action and access to enjoy a star-studded live entertainment lineup within the zone. Check out the chicane racetrack update. Chicanes are usually built into a circuit to slow the cars down, often just before a high-speed corner. T-Mobile Zone at Sphere, located adjacent to Turn 5G and set with the backdrop of Las Vegas' newest landmark. Sphere, the T-Mobile Zone at Sphere stage will be home to consecutive nights of memorable performances that reflect the city's worldwide reputation as the hottest destination for entertainment. Formula One and Liberty Media Corporation are working together to promote the Formula One Heineken Silver Las Vegas Grand Prix 2023 in partnership with the Las Vegas Convention and Visitors Authority. The inaugural race weekend is set for November 16 to 18, 2023. Taking place at night against the iconic Las Vegas backdrop, the track will see drivers reach jaw-dropping speeds of over 210 miles per hour, 340 kilometers per hour, as they race around some of the world's most iconic landmarks, hotels and casinos on the legendary Las Vegas Strip.